I'm Kelly.
And I'm James, and we're full-time on the road and work remote so we can come out and enjoy all the beautiful sights that the country has to offer. When we first started full-timing, we were going park to park, so we were relying on, full hookups and accommodations at parks, which is expensive, but it's not the way that we really wanted to travel. We attended an event in Arizona called the Escapers Rally and met up with a lot of people who are also full-time on the road. It's a lot of people our age, and a lot of them were staying on these BLM and national forest lands, basically having to take their own energy, their own water, everything in and pack it out as well. So we decided that we wanted to do that and decided to move towards being able to stay off the grid and not have to rely on parks for all the accommodations and hookups.
And we really wanted to get out in nature and, be able to live in places like this.
I called NAZ asking for a quote, and when we got to talking about the system I was looking at and the size of the system, they had some suggestions for some components that weren't even on my radar. We worked with them to develop the ultimate system we went with and are very happy with it. We have a 2016 Arctic Fox 1140 wet bath truck camper. Fits on the back of my truck so it can go anywhere the truck goes. We use that to get into a lot of the more confined and more difficult to reach spaces. It has 1,800 watts of solar on the roof, a full system that lets us run air conditioning because that's very important to us, and all the cooking appliances we want. Most people who do RV solar, they go with a small system to begin with, and they find it difficult to just spend tens of thousands of dollars on a big system that meets all the requirements that ours does. Nobody will bat an eye if, say, you spend $25,000 to remodel your kitchen or $10,000 to remodel your bathroom, anything like that. To us, this is no different.
It's our home, yeah. So we want it to be as homey and as comfortable as possible.
Yeah, so a day in the life is pretty typical, just like it would be in your house. We get up, we have coffee, we make breakfast, and I'll do work for several hours, because I work a 9-to-5 job. Mm-hmm. After work, though, the possibilities are really endless. We can go for a run, we can go for a bike ride, we can go do touristy things in town, we can take the Jeep out and see what trails there are. We get to do a little bit of everything, and there aren't very many constraints.
Yeah, it's very limitless.
Yeah, I think that people maybe are a little bit more nomad by nature than society has us, and that getting out and seeing these things is one of the best things you can do for your mental and your physical health.
Yeah, it feels more natural. The great thing about this lifestyle is the opportunities it can present. And what I love most about this is getting to meet so many unique, wonderful people who also love the same things you do. And you could go just explore this great world together.
Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know.
Living small, living on solar, living on, even like limited water, we've overcome most of those obstacles, and life is, we've found a new normal that feels very much like home for us. We don't have any wants or needs or any desire to change anything up.
Yeah. Right now we don't have an end game in sight. We kind of are just gonna keep going until we just get that call to, hey, we love this place, we want to maybe settle down here, but right now we're just kind of going where the road takes us.